Imagine having a steady income of $10,000 per month. That's $322 every single day. But to achieve this, you need the right business idea. In today's video, we're diving in deep into 30 innovative business ideas for women. From digital product businesses to non-product ventures and inventory-based enterprises, there's something for everyone. Whether you're starting with zero capital or have little to invest, these ideas can be launched right from your phone, giving you the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world. But why these 30 ideas? Each one offers unique opportunities for success. From digital products to inventory-based businesses, there's something for everyone. And why should you pay attention? With these ideas, you can start with minimal to zero investment, all from the comfort of your phone anywhere in the world. Idea 1. Digital product ideas. Content calendars. Ever felt overwhelmed trying to start your content creation journey? You're not alone. With more and more people dreaming of becoming content creators, there's a huge demand for organization and structure. And you can help by creating and selling content calendars to keep aspiring creators on track. Digital planners. Imagine making over $2,500 a month by selling digital planners. It's possible. With endless styles and themes to explore, you can create planners that suit everyone's needs and preferences. Fitness guides. Whether you're on your own fitness journey or just passionate about the topic, why not share your knowledge? Selling simple workout routines or fitness guides can not only help others, but also generate steady income for you. Weekly meal planners. If you're already planning your meals, why not turn it into a business? Share your meal plans and recipes to help others save time and money while earning some extra cash yourself. Cookbooks and recipes. Love cooking? Share your favorite recipes and culinary creations as digital cookbooks. It's a popular choice among digital products and can bring in a steady stream of income. Printable wall art. Simple designs can go a long way. Create printable wall art that people can easily print and hang in their homes. It's a quick and easy way to add a personal touch to any space. Travel guides and itineraries. Have you been on some amazing vacations? Share your experiences by creating travel guides and itineraries for others. Whether it's through your own travels or research, you can help others plan their dream vacations. Mom guides and kid activities. Being a parent is tough, but finding activities for your kids doesn't have to be. Share printable activities and coloring pages for parents looking to keep their little ones entertained. Ebooks or guides. Share your expertise with the world by creating ebooks or guides on topics that you're passionate about. Whether it's study techniques, cooking tips, or DIY projects, there's always someone looking to learn. Canva templates. If you're a whiz with design tools like Canva, why not create templates to sell? From social media graphics to business cards, the possibilities are endless. Plus, it's a great way to earn passive income without the hassle of shipping or inventory management. The key to success with digital products is finding something you're passionate about and that fills a need in the market. So, don't be afraid to get creative and explore different ideas until you find the perfect fit for you. Idea 2. Non-product biz ideas. User management content. Ever heard of UGC? Imagine this. Instead of big brands shelling out big bucks to famous influencers, they could pay you to create content for them. You don't even need a huge following or to post on social media. They just want your creative skills. You could be making videos, testimonials, or whatever they need. Brands are always on the lookout for UGC creators. So, if you love making content, this could be your thing. You could be charging hundreds of dollars just for a simple video made on your iPhone. Fashion. If you're someone who's obsessed with clothes and loves showing off your style, starting a fashion account could be your ticket to success. Post your outfits on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels and watch your following grow. Once you've got a decent following, you can start making money by joining affiliate programs. Ever heard of Like to Know It? It's a popular one where you can earn commissions by linking the outfits you wear. There are people out there making six figures just by sharing their fashion sense online. Makeup. Yep, You can turn your love for beauty into a money-making venture. Makeup tutorials might seem old school, but they're still a big hit on YouTube. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products, and that could be you. Whether it's skincare routine or makeup tips, there's a ton of money to be made in this niche. Amazon Associates. Basically, when you create content around cool products you find on Amazon, and if people buy them through your link, you get a commission. You don't even need to buy the products yourself. Just review them, share your thoughts, and watch the money roll in. Plus, Amazon might even pay you to create content for them. TikTok Shop. You can post videos about trending products and link them directly for people to buy. You don't need a huge following to get started, and some suppliers even give out free samples for you to promote. Virtual assisting. Big businesses are busy and they need help with everyday tasks like managing emails and posting on social media. You could be the one to lend them a hand and get paid for it. Just create a profile on platforms like Upwork and clients will come to you. Social media managing. If you're a social media whiz and love keeping up with the latest trends, why not become a social media manager? You could be making thousands of dollars every month just by managing other people's accounts. It's a job that you can do part-time, and the best part, you get to be your own boss. Health and fitness. If you're passionate about helping people live healthier lives, why not become a weight loss or nutrition coach? Millions of people are looking for guidance, and you could be the one to provide it. Share your knowledge, offer tips, and watch your bank account grow. Food recipe. Who doesn't love cooking, right? You could start a cooking channel and share your favorite recipes with the world. Just think about it. A simple video of you boiling an egg can make you thousands of dollars. Plus, you can sell digital products and even get sponsorships. Garage sale. Finally, why not sell your old clothes on apps like Mercari or Poshmark? It's a quick way to make some cash without any upfront costs. Plus, you're helping the planet by giving your clothes a second life. So, there you have it, 10 killer non-product business ideas that could totally change your life. Whether you're into content creation, fashion, beauty, or just making some extra cash on the side, there's something here for everyone. Idea 3. Inventory biz ideas. Skincare business. Think body butter scrubs and more. People love watching how these products are made and the results they deliver. Plus, you can go viral on TikTok and Instagram, boosting your sales big time. Start with just around $100 and there are plenty of tutorials on YouTube to guide you. Jewelry brand. Find suppliers on Alibaba or AliExpress, resell through social media, and pocket the profits. You can even customize your own jewelry to stand out. Jewelry businesses go viral on social media. Gift bundles. These are a hit. With the right suppliers, you can put together amazing bundles that people will love to gift. Invest around $3 to $6 per bundle and sell them for $30 to $50. That's some serious profit. Candles. Everyone loves candles, especially ones made by small businesses. Learn how to make them on YouTube. Start with about $100 and show off your process. People appreciate handmade quality over mass-produced stuff. Lip gloss. Yup, it's still trendy. Handmade lip gloss is making waves, especially on TikTok. Put your own spin on it, share your journey, and watch your business grow. There's always room for innovation in cosmetics. Lash serums. Another handmade cosmetic product with a loyal customer base. Offer a quality formula and market it as a natural alternative to store-bought serums. YouTube tutorials will be your best friend in crafting the perfect product. Clothing brand. Got a grand to spare? Consider starting your own clothing brand. Invest in quality pieces. Focus on hoodies and sweaters and then sell them for a markup. Your brand should represent a lifestyle or purpose to stand out. Print on demand. No need for inventory here. With print on demand, you can create custom designs and sell them on various products without upfront costs. It's a low-risk way to start your clothing brand adventure. Drop shipping. Want to dip your toes into e-commerce? Drop shipping is the way to go. Find winning products, set up your online store, and promote like crazy. Your supplier handles the shipping, so it's hassle-free. Rose bears and forever roses. Luxury meets affordability with these products. Source them cheap, sell them high, and watch your profits soar. Plus, you can drop ship them to your buyers, making it super convenient. There you have it. 10 awesome business ideas to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. Whether you're into skincare, jewelry, or fashion, there's something for everyone. So, pick your passion, get creative, and start making those dreams a reality. Bonus tips. Remember, it's not just about what you're selling, it's how you market it. Your website can be amazing, but if you're not spreading the word effectively, it might go unnoticed. So, focus on marketing strategies that work for you. Now, about ads. Hold off if you're just starting. Crafting quality content is key. When choosing your business model, think long-term. If you're not passionate about making lip gloss, don't sell it. Be honest with yourself. Is this a side gig or a full-on commitment? Drop shipping might be the way to go if you're just testing the waters. In wrapping up, remember that success lies in finding your passion and filling a market need. Keep exploring, stay creative, and take action on the ideas that resonate with you most. Turn your dreams into reality. I'll see you in the next video.